Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the relative strength index, the RSI indicator on LuxAlgo. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we're going to do is go to the website, make sure that you log in, and then we go right here to library and we search right here for the relative strength index. Then right now we have some options right here, and if you scroll down, you see right here some options, and I'm interested today in the RSI candlestick oscillator. Then we click right here on see details, and then right now if we select here the TradingView option, because he has free access on the following platforms, and that is just for TradingView. So if you select right here on get access, you will get right here a nice instruction, but I already know how to do this. So we do right now get access. Then he will send us to the page of TradingView, and then we scroll down. There's also a massive explanation right here what this indicator does. So if you want to read that, do that. And then we just click right here on use on chart. And then he will add it here under the chart. And here's ICT, so I want to delete this. And right now we are having right here the LuxAlgo RSI candlestick oscillator and the normal chart. So this is how you can use the RSI right here from LuxAlgo. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.